Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this meditation, we will be exploring our inner growth through the cultivation and embodiment of our highest values. By looking within, we help our world flourish from inside out. To begin, take a moment to find a comfortable seated position. Let the spine be long, the shoulders relaxed, and the hands to fall comfortably wherever they may be. Close your eyes if you have not already done so. And then take a moment to arrive in this space by drawing your awareness to the earth beneath you. Notice each point of your body that is in contact with the floor, chair, or other surface supporting you here. Slowly allow your awareness to expand, noticing any sounds that fill the room. Now observe the air that surrounds you. And then watch as it slowly enters your nostrils, passing through your windpipe and gracefully opening the chest. And then watch as the air leaves your body, merging once again with the world around you. Continue to breathe naturally. But as you do, see if you might invite the breath into the stomach for a few rounds of silent, deep belly breathing. Let the breath return to its natural flow. And let's now consider what it means to grow. While growth might sometimes be associated with external achievements, acquisitions, or milestones, the most powerful type of growth is the growth that goes unseen. It is that which blossoms or evolves within us. As we grow into ourselves, into the most authentic version of who we are, we grow into our highest values. These values are the guiding principles that direct and govern our lives. Knowing our values is one thing, embodying them is another. Because it is not uncommon that due to life challenges and conditioning, we struggle to live our values to the fullest. For instance, we might deeply value kindness and compassion, but find it difficult to express these towards those we disagree with. Or we might value truth and transparency, but when confronted, we find it difficult to live up to these notions. We each have room to grow. We each have room to move into a deeper embodiment of that which our heart truly yearns for. Whether your deepest values in this life are wisdom and truth, love and compassion, peace and presence, or anything else, identifying what it is we care most deeply about is the beginning of a deeper journey into ourselves. When we know what we value, it becomes easier to be, to express, and to act in accordance with this higher self. Life will continue to shift, but in the words attributed to the Dalai Lama, open your arms to change, but don't let go of your values. So take a moment once again to tune in with the natural flow of your breath and with the heart space, opening up to one value that you yearn to embody in a deeper way. You might resonate with a notion like truth, wisdom, compassion, peace, acceptance, honesty, or courage. Or there may be something else that resonates more strongly with your core. Take a moment to witness whatever is there, whatever yearns to be embodied more fully. Now take a moment to let that value course through your body. Notice what it feels like for that value to flow freely through you. Feel yourself becoming lighter as you let the energy of this value be abundant within. Consider, where did the experience of this sensation come from? Is it something that came from outside of you, or did it arise from within? Take a few moments to let this sensation continue to flow freely, softening any physical resistance that is present. Relax the forehead, the jaw, the shoulders, and the belly as you continue to cultivate and embody this value for a few final moments. When you are ready, slowly let everything go, knowing that this value is present within you for continued cultivation. And then shift your attention back to the natural rhythm of the breath. Take one more full, deep breath into the belly, and then let it go. Draw your attention to the surface supporting you. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed today's meditation. See you again.